Hi there, welcome back to the channel. So if you are using an Apple Watch Ultra and you're having problem with installing application, also if it shows can't connect to App Store, don't worry, just watch the entire video to learn an easy way to solve the problem. So let's get started. Now, especially after upgrading the watchOS 9 or later, many people complain they have a problem downloading application. And this problem mainly happens when you have problem with internet or the Apple ID. If you solve the problem, the very first thing that I recommend you guys to do, just give it a forced restart on your Apple Watch Ultra to solve your problem. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the little crown button unless it shows you the Apple logo on your device. Now let's say you give it a forced restart, but still you have the same problem here. On your Apple Watch, the first thing that you want to do is just tap on your settings and scroll down there and tap Wi-Fi. First, enable your Wi-Fi and make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network in order for you to just download this application on your device. Now, once your device is connected, at the very same time, make sure Bluetooth is on so that your devices can be properly synced with your iPhone. Let's just say you just enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but still you have a problem downloading application from the App Store. The next thing that you want to do is just open up the watch application on your iPhone here. Now first you want to tap on the general, just scroll down here and tap on Apple ID. Now here you know that to download or install an application, it requires the Apple ID. Now just simply sign in with your Apple ID and password from there. Alright guys, so once you're just signed in with your Apple ID here, quickly after that just head over to settings on your iPhone, tap Wi-Fi. Make sure that you're actually using the same Wi-Fi network both on your iPhone and your Apple Watch Ultra. Now simply now head over to your App Store and now just try to install any application that you want. So let's get this application from my phone, for example. I'll tap get here. Now double click to install it. Well, after that, you'll be able to see now your application has been installed on your Apple Watch Ultra without giving you any problem. So these are the ways that you guys can follow on your Apple Watch Ultra as well as on your iPhone to solve your application is not downloading or keep loading problem on your Apple Watch Ultra. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.